My dear people, them for the struggle, people inside diaspora. I want make una understand one thing with us where they the land, where they fight. This video may part at the send and come, especially to these people of Menchum, will be very stubborn to support their own brothers. But at the promise them say, those who no one support, now this stick, now him with the weight to receive them, to welcome them with. You feel see how soldiers then they suffer. See I 3I tablet when they for people when get bullet injury inside fight when we begin. No tablet. This one treat which kind injury patient inside struggle. So Amber Victory make you tell all these people of Menchum. Say we would give them last warning if they no support this struggle, no way, no day for them to come enter this land. You see injuries the way soldier they sustain like this one. See, for how many days he never get even injection. He never get anything. Now we try now to give them local treatment. Make we leave them die or make we leave the struggle. So I want make you post this video to all the entire people of Menchum, especially an Ambazonian general. Pass this video to all the Ambazonian in general, because plenty people don't turn out to work na money. They forget about the condition they pass through. The war with the fight, it don't make even hospitals don't be empty. No tablet, no day again. All the nurses, no day. See food where patient can't eat since morning. He never eat anything. See the way they don't fall down. See this one. Na bullet, na he take it like this. Na bullet. Usa will get treatment. So I want make you warn these people where they diaspora. Say it be high time for them to support. We no get tablet. We no even get enough weapons and materials the way we need and to target these people. And we not want make the struggle a move on. Make we all die. Why we now come enjoy? But that one no go happen. That one no go happen. So make we not be very, very careful. I dey still warn them, say na this machine, na him we go use on top them. Na this machine, na him we go use on top them. Make una hear like that. So Amber Victory make you tell these people. Say make they support immediately. I know say this video no fit reach you today when be Saturday 15 or being Sunday 15 16 Sunday 16 of September. Any moment this video will reach you, make sure you share this video, make it go to all of una wey dey Europe. If una no wan support this struggle, una tell us, make we close everything. We would better tell our republic we are sorry. Then we will be the worst war terrorists inside the same land with the way to una. Or una like una end over there, una remain over there. Enough be enough. Make una hear am like that. We need money for make medication. Nurse they no dey again. No treatment no dey. No food. All stores now don't be burnt. Where we go get food or we go get people where they even support us from their land? So I dey thank you so much. Make you do your best. Say make this video it go round to all fellow Ambazonian. These Menchum people, especially very stubborn people, tell all the big people